backyard beach stays. Low wall stays. These low fences are gonna come out. If we can just pop them, we will. If we can't, we'll cut them. Use will come out. That stuff will come out. We'll clean under there. I think we're gonna cut these. Try and have Chris come and pick up the clippings. I have to look at the side area here. Clean out there. This hedge back there is gonna stay, that hemlock hedge. But clean this bed as well. Clean all the stuff underneath it. Cut the tops of these, drag these suckers out. Probably drag him and see if he can, you know, chip them up. This is the back. Clean this area out as well. Again, hemlock stain. We got this low wall here. We're gonna take this out. I think the vegetation in here comes out. I don't remember. Gotta look over the plan. This wall back here stays, but we're gonna be planting new bushes along this back edge. They got their fence in. Everything here looks great. Prepped for us. And you know what? We got shade again. All right, I'm gonna take advantage of our great shade we have, since guys have been having a tough week or two with the heat. We've got this wall over here we're gonna take out. The area we gotta clean out. We are working in Manhasset. Behind me, we've got a backyard. Got a little bit of shade, so we're gonna work with the shade right now to get these bed areas cleaned out. Carter's cleaning out the hostas. I'm gonna work on grinding out these metal pieces, and Wilson's down there cleaning the beds out. We're gonna get everything cleaned and prepped. We got a delivery coming at some point. They said by 9, so it's 9:37. Let's see how late they are today. Let's see if I get to back charge them. So it's an end of a day. It's a quiet one today. It was just Ricardo and I, but it's not bad because I think we would have killed everyone since it was like 100% humidity. Ricardo got the areas cleaned out. I got everything around here cleaned and organized and laid out. And then everything through the backyard, all the way down, organized and laid out as well, all the way down the side here. So, head out. We'll be back in the morning. If you're out working, drink some water. If you're at home in the air conditioning, get outside, enjoy yourself. It is hot, but you can still get outside and have some fun. If you watch us on TikTok, great. If you watch us on Instagram, you've probably seen a bunch of posts. Backyard is all cleaned up, laid out. And you know what this red circle is? That's our patio. A couple days there'll be a patio there so they can sit and have a fire pit and enjoy themselves. So keep watching. I'll probably end up posting and TikToking that one as well as doing a post on Instagram.